everyone, here is actually Matt. Today we got the latest machine in Libs YDPG18, which is the Android Smart Network game console with 5-inch screen touchscreen screen. First, let's check what's in the box. The charger, the earphone, the USB cable, and the extra 4GB TF card. Also, let's take a closer look. The 5-inch touchscreen, portable remote, select start button, is the power button, the home button, the mood button, back camera, the front camera. Now we test the touchscreen sensor with the Fruit Ninja game. After this all, the feeling is that it's kind of touching, not pressing, and there's no delay when you play the games.